Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare this amazing stew chicken together. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook. So here I have my chicken. It's already cleaned and washed nicely. I also went ahead and just chop it up in some small bite sizes. I will go in and add some chopped onions, scallion thyme. I will also add some Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic to that as well. Of course, I'm gonna add some powdered seasoning, and all of the powdered seasoning that I'm using here, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. What you can do, if you have different brands of seasoning at home that you want to use, you can always go ahead and do so. So I add some paprika. I will also add some black pepper, and of course, I'm gonna go in and add some chicken seasoning. I will also add some of my all-purpose seasoning. I like to add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to my meat, and it's perfectly fine. I will also add some browning, and please note that they do have different brands of browning on the market, and you want to ensure that you add just a little bit of browning. Do not add too much browning. Now, if you don't want to add browning to your food, you can always go ahead and make your own browning using brown sugar. So once I add all of that seasoning, it's time to combine everything well. Once this is nicely combined, I will go ahead and just cover it and put it in the fridge for roughly about half an hour. After half an hour, we'll come back and prepare this amazing stew chicken. And you can have this with some white rice. You can have it with some dumpling. You can have it with banana. You can even have it with rice and peas. Whatever you have at home, go ahead and pair it with this amazing stew chicken. And you can always leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how you prepare your stew chicken. But I will also do a video to show you guys the difference between stew chicken and brown stew chicken. Now, the brown stew chicken, you have to brown the chicken first. So what you do, you go ahead and just add some oil to the pot, allow it to hot, and then you add the chicken and allow it to fry nicely on both sides until it is golden brown. And that's how you do brown stew chicken. With the stew chicken, you don't have to do that. What you do, you just go ahead and just chop up your chicken in some small pieces, put on your pot on the stove, allow it to hot, and then you just add all of the chicken. So I hope you guys understand and know the difference between brown stew and stew chicken. Now, the family enjoy this, and I'm sure your family will enjoy too. So make sure you go ahead and give it a try. I also have a detailed video on my channel how to season this chicken, which will just give you a more, it will just enlighten you more. So you can always go ahead and check that out. So I put on my pot on the stove, allow it to hot, just add some vegetable oil, and then I'm gonna go in and add the seasoned chicken. Now you want to turn your stove on low to medium heat, and also do not add any water because the chicken will spring its own water. So once I add the chicken, I will just cover it and then just allow it to cook down nicely until it starts to spring its own water. I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. And also, the same bowl that I season my chicken in, I like to add just a little bit of hot water to add to my chicken when it's almost finished cooking. And this is what it looks like. You see the amount of water that it springs? Yes, my love. This is what it looks like. So we're just gonna go ahead and just stir that up nicely in the pot, and it's coming along quite fine. It's a possibility that I might need to add a little bit of seasoning at the end, but you can always go ahead and taste because you want to ensure that it has just the right amount of seasoning. And I don't like to add salt to my meat because I just think that all of those seasoning contains a lot of salt already, so no need to add salt at all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in now. Once my chicken is almost finished cooking, I will add a little bit of my ketchup. You can add some tomato. I know some persons don't like the ketchup, but I add the ketchup. You can add some tomato, like I said. And once I add that, I will combine everything well. And I also have some more chopped onion, scallion, thyme, and some more garlic. And I will just go ahead and add it as well. You can add some potato cubes if you have potatoes at home, and just allow this to cook down nicely for another 5 to 6 minutes, because you don't want the potato. I like my potato still a little bit firm. So once it's nicely cooked down, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Remember to turn your stove on low to medium heat, and remember that scotch bonnet pepper as well. Alright guys, so this is what my stew chicken look like. It's really nice and easy to prepare, so I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember to just subscribe to that channel, and remember to share with your families and your friends and have them subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.